all I know about them.
Good God. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 batteries.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Is it louder with it closed or open?
Yeah, close.
Really? Let me get a back picture video real quick.
Okay.
So they can see. Light them up, 843. Is that the area code or is that just your number?
Area code.
Okay. What batteries?
The JJ bubble batteries. That's all I know about them.
Good God. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 batteries. Holy sh!
On a
Oh,
Nintendo.
I didn't know you had that many batteries.
Chanel 5500.
Wired to
0.33. Push it.
the fan. Keep it cool.
Oh yeah.
The fan just went out.
But you can run for a sec. You can run.
I still can run it as long as I want.
We're sitting that back here.
DS 18 XL Pro. What's your name?
Gary.
Gary. All right. What about the subs and?
The subs are the Sundown SAs, 600 RMS.
It says Shush.
Shush.
Shush. What made you put that back there? Just something unique?
Street name.
Street name. Shush. Okay.
So this is the Shush Hope.
All right. 6th order?
4th order. It was a 6 at first, and turned around, I didn't like the way that it was, so I patched in the bottom.
You just
down
filled?
there,
Okay.
filled it up, and now I got a 4th order.
Bro, you got a radiator fan back here? Dude! What the hell?
Well, I had to do something to keep that amp cool.
Is there another amp over here?
Yeah, it's a Crunch
Radiator
4000.
fan. You keep his amp cool.
What's back there?
Look at it. I mean, come on, really?
What's it meter?
Don't know, never metered it.
Never metered it? Just for demo?
I never
Yeah.
do that.
All right. And what is it tuned to, the 4th order? The front port?
Who knows?
You don't know? Just tuned it? Or made it, put it together?
Just put it together. Was rushing to make it to a show.
Yes, sir. Okay. I like it.
Streets, man, them boys spit a style. Know we keep that white girl.
Just the 3500. Awesome. I like how you got extra wood you added in just to make it brace a little more.
Yeah, even though this double layered, when I just had these two right here, the middle of the box would flex, top and the floor.
So you was just slapping.
Yeah. Just showing off at a cookout a couple days ago, I broke the back wall, the whole wall, all the screws broke on that side.
So it's leaking bad.
It was.
You fixed it some?
I jigger rigged it for it, so
Okay.
it's holding together good right now.
Awesome. You got it sealed off pretty good too. Wow. Is your handle broke? Oh no, it was the other guys. Yeah.
Got to pull it and bump it.
Okay. I like the way you built it into the vehicle or slide in.
It's built in.
Okay. Yeah, those were screaming. That high 16, 17 kilohertz, that'll hurt. You still got a seal down here?
No, all that's, well, it's sealed till it gets about that second set of speakers.
Okay, gotcha. Yes, sir.
Can't get to the trunk no more.
Okay. I like it. And what's your plan on this? More power, more change subs, or are you keeping it where it is?
Same subs. Well, no, I might go up to the U-Series subs, add some more amps and 3 more alternators. Got a JS 370 under the hood. So.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Light them up. What vehicle year is this?
95.
95?
You did the video on my new Explorer, I remember.
You had 4 Sundown 15?
Same 4.
Same 4 you just added to. Okay. Big jump going from C-pillar no wall to C-pillar wall. So what made you were saying about the 6th order?
I didn't like how the speakers was basically free airing.
Okay.
So I didn't like that. Even when I had them in Explorer, when one of them would come disconnect or whatever, it played like a bouncy feeling.
It doesn't give you that pressure like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
It's like unloading more.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Appreciate the demo, man.
Word.
Perfect.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.